Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable stock in an instant pot. First, let's talk about the best ingredients. You'll want aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. Don't forget herbs such as bay leaves and parsley stems for a rich flavor. A key tip is to avoid cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cabbage, as they can make your stock taste bitter. This simple selection ensures a delicious base for many dishes. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready for the instant pot. Start by roughly chopping all your vegetables into pieces about 2 inches in size. There's no need for precision here, as they will be strained out later. Next, place all your prepared vegetables and herbs directly into the instant pot. Finally, add enough cold water, typically 8 to 10 cups, to fully cover all the ingredients. This ensures maximum flavor extraction. With your instant pot loaded, it's time to cook. Securely place the lid on your instant pot and make sure the vent is set to the sealing position. Then, select the manual or pressure cook setting and set the cooking time for 20 minutes on high pressure. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow the pressure to naturally release for 15 minutes. This natural release helps to deepen the flavors of your stock. After the natural pressure release, it's time for the final steps. Carefully remove the lid and then strain the entire cooked mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a large bowl or another pot. Make sure to press down on the solids to extract every last drop of that delicious liquid. Discard the cooked vegetables, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Your homemade vegetable stock is now ready to use or store in airtight containers for up to 5 days in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.